In this lesson, we'll review a math problem from the grid-in section. We're on page 417, question 12, and this is a moderate problem. It's a level 3. 5 different points, A, B, C, D, and E, lie on a line in that order. AD equals 4.5, BE equals 3.5, and CD equals 2, and the question's asking for one possible value of BC. Now, we've mentioned this before. On a grid-in, sometimes you'll see this phrase, what is one possible value? That means there is more than one correct answer. You just have to select one in that range. So let's sketch this out. We have a line, and these points, let's do the points first respectively in that order. So AD is 4.5, and I'm going to use different colors. So obviously you can't do that on the test, but you just want to make sure it's easy to understand with the line segments. So now we have BE. Remember their respective order. So B, and I'll just make it out to here. That's E, and so that is 3.5. And then CD is sort of a subset. It's within BE, so CD is 2, and we want what is one possible value of BC. Now, it doesn't say that these are equally spaced. All we know is they're in respective order, and we want one possible value. Remember, this is not too hard of a question. It's only number 12. The grid didn't start at 9, so we know that BE, sorry, it's a little messy, is 3.5. And we know that CD, that's a subset, is 2. And we want a value for BC. So I would just think about one value that works. So for example, 1 works. The point is, we know that BE is 3.5 and CD is 2. Let me give you an answer that won't work. 1.5 would not work. Because if you made this 1.5 and this is 2, that's already 3.5. There's nothing left for DE. And if you look this up on the back, there are literally like countless answers if you use decimals here. So you could pick any number for BC, any value for it, where it's greater than 0. It has to be some length. So even 0.001 would work. And it has to be less than 1.5. You could also use fractions less than 3/2 and greater than 0. But really 1,000 right answers. Just pick one value that works. And I think the hard part here is just sketching it out and also remembering they're not evenly spaced. It has to state that. It just says they're in respective order. All right, so the answer here is any number in this range. See you next time. Thanks for watching.